Unpolished is the first non-drip gel mask that effectively removes nail lacquer, gel product, and dip powder with less mess and less odor. This product does not dry out your nail beds or cuticles and does not require any additional acetone or nail foils. Unpolished is not a burst remover. This product is intended to gently remove your soak-off nail products in multiple layers. Unpolished is patent pending, Big Five free, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and paraben-free. Here's an overview on how to get unpolished. Step 1. Break the seal. Break the seal of your nail product with a light file or buff. Remove as much shine as possible. Step 2. Apply unpolished. Apply a generous coat of unpolished. You must apply a thick bubble-like shape over your entire nail. This layer should be similar to the thickness of a quarter coin. Avoid skin contact and make sure you cap the free edge. Pro tip: apply a generous amount to avoid the mask from drying out too quickly. Step 3. Allow estimated soak-off time. Allow proper soak-off time depending on your product. Do not allow the mask to entirely dry. Unpolished must remain wet in order to remove effectively. Do not exceed the estimated removal time as you do not want the unpolished to be completely dry. Pro tip: unpolished must be reapplied in multiple coats to effectively remove in layers. Step 4. Push off the softened product. Use an orange wood stick to push off the softened mask and gel polish. Unpolished is not a burst remover, so your product may not look like it's crumbling off. However, it should be softened at this point. Step 5. Buff out remaining product. Use a professional gel buffer to continue removing softened mask and product. Step 6. Repeat as necessary. Repeat steps 2 to 5 as listed on the removal chart, applying unpolished to only areas with product left. Unpolished will remove your product safer layer by layer. Step 7. Wash hands and moisturize. Wash your hands with warm water and soap. Moisturize your nails, cuticles, and hands with hand lotion and cuticle oil. And that's how you get unpolished without any messy additional acetone or nail foils. Look how healthy and strong my natural nails are. We even made it easier for you to get unpolished by offering our Unpolished Removal Kit. This set includes everything you need to remove your soak-off polish, gel, and dip products. Get unpolished now!